kindergartners, it's Mrs. Perlick. I'm going to show you again how to get to Pebble Go. You did this with Mrs. Gowdy when you were learning about farm animals. Well, for our zoo day today, you get to go to Pebble Go again. So, the first thing you're going to do is you are going to find the Delano Public Schools website. Then you are going to go to elementary. Elementary. Now go straight down from the elementary tab. And you are going to find Pebble Go. Pebble Go is the second to last one. It's right above Reading Eggs. Look for that P, Pebble Go. When you click on Pebble Go, it's going to bring you to the website. Now, just like what you did with the farm animals, you're going to go to Animals. When you get to the Animal tab, you're going to find this gorilla. This says mammals, because today for zoo, you're going to learn all about different types of mammals. So click on the Mammals tab. Here is the fun part, kindergartners. When you get to the Mammal tab, you can click on any animal you want. Today, I'm going to show you how to do our animal research report. In our animal research report, you get to choose any animal you want. I'm going to go ahead and look at my primates. And today, I'm going to choose orangutans because that is an animal that I'm going to show you how to do a report on. All right, kindergartners, now that I have chosen my animal, I now am going to fill out my zoo animal research journal. Okay. So on my journal right here, you can go ahead and write your name at the top where it says Zoo Animal Research Journal. And if you want, you can go ahead and color this. All right, I'm going to show you how to fill this report out. So I'm going to use the animal orangutan, but remember, kindergartners, you can choose any animal you want. In fact, I would encourage you to not choose orangutan and try a different animal. All right, let's take a peek at our first page here. The first page says, which animal are you learning about? Well, if I look right on my screen here, I can copy the word orangutan. So I'm going to write orangutan. My next question says, what does this animal eat? Here's kindergartners where we get to use our information from Pebble Go. So if I look at the top here, each one of these are called tabs. This says the body. This next tab says habitat. That means where an animal lives. This tab says food, life cycles, fun facts, and read more. So if I wanted to know what does this animal eat, which tab am I going to click on? Yeah, I'm going to find the food habitat, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the food habitat. All right, now, kindergartners, if I see this little yellowish orange circle with the little speakers on it, if you click on it, it will read the words to you. I'm going to go ahead and read the words out loud. Orangutans search for food during the day. They eat fruit like mangoes and figs. They also eat tree bark and insects. Orangutans have strong teeth to chew through tough plants and nuts. What does this animal eat? Well, the words told me that they like fruit like mangoes and figs. I might not know how to draw a mango or a fig, but I see that the orangutan in the picture is holding a banana, and I know that a banana is a fruit. So I could write the word fruit and draw a picture of a banana. It also tells me that they eat insects, so I can write the word insects. So here I'm going to write fruit and insects. And I'm going to draw a picture of fruit and an insect. My next question says, how does this animal move? I need to think about that. If I want to know how an animal moves, which page do you think I need to go to? Body, habitat, food, life cycle, fun facts, or read more? Probably the body. You got it, because my body is what moves. So I'm going to click here on the body. Now it says orangutans are apes. Adult orangutans are about 5 feet tall. They have orange and red hair. Orangutans have long, strong arms to swing between tree branches. So there it tells me that orangutans move by swinging. I also know that orangutans can walk. So I'm going to write swing and walk. Now my next question says, where does this animal live? So let's look here at the pictures at the bottom. Okay, this first picture is going to be a picture of a forest. Do you notice how it has forest trees? Okay, I also look closely and I might see a river or a lake. It looks like it has a log. The picture next to it, so this picture right here, is going to be a jungle or a rainforest. If you notice, kindergartners, it has the big palmy leaves. Okay. And it also, if I look up in the trees, it has vines for animals to swing from. The third picture is going to be the Arctic. I see a picture of a seal. So these are going to be ice caps and probably the frozen ocean. The next picture is going to be the ocean or the sea. I notice that it has some ocean animals. I also can see where the water could be. The last picture is a picture of a desert. Do you notice how it has a cactus and it has a snake? And over here in the back, it has plateaus. So again, let's look at our pictures. We have a forest that has a river or lakes. We have a rainforest or a jungle. We have the Arctic. We have the ocean or a sea and the desert. Now, if I wanted to know where my orangutans lived, I'm going to click on the habitat because habitat means where animals live. This says orangutans live on the islands of Borbona and Sumatra in Southeast Asia. They spend most of their lives in the rainforest canopy. Orangutans sleep in nests in high trees. So I'm going to circle the rainforest or the jungle. Now I'm going to turn the page. What covers this animal's skin? We have hair or fur, feathers, scales, or shells. If I want to know what covers the animal's skin, I'm going to go back to the body. Okay, because that was what's telling us all about their body. Here it says they have orange and red hair. And if I look closely at this picture, I can see that it has that fur or hair. So I'm going to circle fur or hair. Now the last part is where you get to draw a picture of this animal. Okay. I looked at my picture and I looked at all the different shapes and I used my science eyes to observe what the animal looks like. So I drew the orangutans with their long, strong arms swinging on the branches. Now, kindergartners, it is your turn. You get to choose any animal you want and you can fill out your animal research report. Have fun. I hope you enjoy your zoo day.